Summit and the authorized user has really gotten me where I'm at today, and it got me eligible for a car at a very low interest rate without a cosigner. It was able to raise my credit from a 0 to a 762 in 45 days. So it was really useful, and the protecting your poverty now kind of just helps me have that extra stream of income so I can go on things like vacations and put money away for savings accounts. From my point of view, I would recommend Endeavor just because if you were to look at my life a year ago, I was in a completely different spot. I was self-decidedly homeless. I didn't have credit. I didn't have a place to stay. I didn't even have a car to get to work. So I used the last few $100s I had, and I, put a leap of faith into Endeavor. And my credit is still building, and now with, everything going the way it is. I have my own apartment. I'm about to move into my own house. So things are just looking up, and it's not just my life that it's affected, it's a lot of other people around me, even my friends. So these are the 4 brackets of most Americans' income. It's their credit, it's their debt, it's their taxes, and their retirement. And it encompasses your entire finances. So, first we kind of work with building your credit up, getting it where it needs to be, so that we can work on any debts that you may have, refinance it or strategically default. Later we move on to taxes. So if you're a business owner, we can teach you on how to write off things you didn't know you could write off, and get bigger tax returns, and then move into retirement.